Hi, I'm Sherry. I want to welcome you to my studio today.
Hi, welcome to the Found Art Hop for 2018. We're a group of 12 artists who've gotten together to make some uplifting, family-friendly art and share it in a public place. At the end of this video, there'll be a card that you can click on to go to the next video in the list, or you can look in the description box below and get a list of all the videos. And we just ask that you go to the next one. So for my piece, I started with one of the first acrylic pours I ever did. It wasn't exactly something I was crazy about, so I started slapping on some tissue paper. I did 3 layers of tissue paper, but of course I forgot to record the 3rd layer. I'm using acrylic matte medium for my glue, but you can use decoupage medium, gel medium, whatever you want. I like something light enough that it won't tear the tissue paper. And now I'm going to do some stenciling. And I've cut this down in time because, it's the same thing over and over. Lots of taping, lots of pouncing. Remove that stencil, tape down another one. You get the idea. I love this new stencil from Stencil Girl. Well, it's new to me anyway. It just showed up in my local arts and crafts store. So I have to admit, I have an addiction to stencils. Every time I walk into this local store, I buy another stencil. They see me coming a mile away. I use them like this as a layer in an art piece, or I jelly print with them. And let me tell you, jelly printing is addicting, and if you start doing that, you are going to be addicted to stencils like I am. Now this stencil had a lot of very small holes, so it made this part a little difficult in some areas, and that is that I am just going around each space and outlining it with black. I'm using a Pitt pen, but later I will move to a Sharpie when I'm on top of something slick. I think I mentioned that we will be leaving these pieces in public places. So tomorrow, Saturday, October 13th, the 12 of us will be heading out in our various locations and placing these pieces of art somewhere in the public for someone to find and take home with them. So keep your eye open. Dang, my fingers were starting to cramp. So the spaces got too small, so I removed the stencil and did some of the outlining freehand. And next I'm going to place another stencil over the turquoise portion of the acrylic pour. I won't be stenciling through this, just outlining. I don't remember who made these little stencils with the attached masks, but they're really nice to use with other floral stencils. Now I'm pulling out some chipboard stickers that I've had for quite some time, long enough that I have no idea where they came from or who made them. I'm trying to find a few to make a arrangement that simulates flight to a certain degree. And I'm using glue because we all know stickers don't stay stuck. Especially these because they're so heavy. And these are Tim Holtz Small Talk stickers, and I'm going to use glue on them as well. Same reason. Well, they're not heavy, but you get the drift. And now I'm going to paint the sides of the chipboard butterflies. Well, that would have been hard to see, so I saved you from it. It's one of those little details that most people won't even notice. Now that this is dry, I'm going to put on a last layer of medium to try to just get everything very securely adhered. I would not want these butterflies to come off while it's left wherever I'm going to leave it. And we all know stickers never stay stuck anyway. I use a matte medium, but it really is more of a satin finish. Now I am just going to make some final touches with a gold calligrapher's pen and ink. Just a few highlights here and there, so you get a little sparkle as you move the piece. And last of all, sign your work. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click on the card to the right so you can watch the next video in the list. Hope you'll leave a comment, give me a thumbs up, and subscribe. And keep your eyes open for some free found art, or share some of your own. Bye-bye.